Hello, my name is Venkat and I am 11 years old. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to simplify fractions. First, go to PyCharm. Once you're in PyCharm, we need value 1, which is equal to 1, which is equal to 5, and value 2, which is equal to 10, and value 3, which is equal to a list. Copy value 3, paste it, and rename it to value 4. Then for I in range, value 1, value 3, that append value 1 divided by I plus 1. Copy that and change value 1 and value 3 into value 2 and 4. Once you're done with that, if you print value 3 and value 4, we should get 1 and 2, which is what we got. Now we need value 5, which is equal to none, and value 6, which is also equal to and none. Value 5 is equal to the string round value 3, the len of value 3, minus 1. Copy that entire line, paste it, hit the plus mark, the division sign with the spaces, paste it again, change value 3 into value 4. Copy only this line, then type value 6 is equal to value 3 divided by value 4. Then if you print value 5 and 6, we should get 1, 2, and 0.5. But this is only one line this is only 13 lines of code, not a function. So let's turn it into function. Click Control A, hit Tab, then hit 4, hit def, sim, then type number 1 and number 2. Then this will be equal to value 1 will be equal to number 1. Same with value 2. Then we'll return value 5 and value 6. Then once we run it, if we run this, we get nothing. So we have to print the sim of 1, 2, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 and 0.5. If we change this to 5 and 10, then run it, we also get 0.5. But if it's 15 and 3, we get 1.5 and 0.2, which works. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you understood it.